Hello friends, this is Shane Alam and now we are going to assemble all parts of motor blower. We have already designed the parts of motor blower in previous tutorial. So let's start. Start mechanical design, assemble design, and here select product, and we are going to insert the first part of motor blower assembly. I'm gonna insert lower housing as a first part. Open. Okay, you can see, select this part. Now we are going to insert another part called blower. Here you can see we need to rotate the blower because this face should be on opposite side. So okay, just drag this compass here and you can easily rotate like this, and now remove the compass. And now go to here, coincident constant, select this and select this outer surface and select this surface. Here you can see. Now again select offset constant and select this face and select this face, and here put 0.125. okay, update. Here you can see. Here you can see all gaps are very fine, here and here, from the all sides. Now insert another part called shaft. Okay, now place this compass here and rotate it like this. Okay, now select offset constant, select this face and select this face, and here put 0. Update. Now select coincident constant, select this and select this surface. Update. Here you can see it's properly inserted. Now insert another part called motor. Here you can see motor. Okay, now choose offset and select this surface and this surface. Put here 0. Okay, update. Again select coincident constant, select this axis, update. Here you can see. Now insert another component called motor cover. Okay, put the compass here and rotate it like this. Remove this compass, select coincident constant, select this surface and select this surface also. Update. Again select coincident constant, select this surface, escape, select this axis as a surface and select this axis as surface, update. Now select this axis and select this axis. Actually it's fully defined, we need to just select offset, select this surface and put here 0, update. Now you can see the motor cover has been inserted. Now I'm gonna insert last part, you can say upper housing. So select product, insert and upper housing. It's already inserted at the proper and correct location. Okay. Also you can design some kind of nut and bolts here with this diameter, and you can insert easily from these holes. This simple assembly has been done here. You can see it's done. So thank you for watching. Please like my videos and subscribe. Thank you for watching.